Hey everyone, back again. Welcome back to another video review. This is going to be a little bit different, everyone. Excuse me. This time, everyone, we are going to be taking a look at, well, this is actually a requested video, and this is something I've been meaning to get out as of recent. Devran Hasan has requested that I do a reaction video to the Swearing Parrot. I think, yeah, the Swearing Parrot. I will take a look at it, actually. I've narrowed it down to one video, though. I've seen most of them are pretty good, but apparently this is the creme de la creme. So, we'll take a look at the video, and we'll see what happens. So, excuse me. So, excuse me again. So, I'm just going to clean the lens here. Oh, we have to take our season every day. No, we're not actually. Alright, so. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are going to watch the video in 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 69, 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't see the screen, I'm actually watching the screen while this is going on, so. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. That was funny. That was so funny. Devran Hasan, thank you for suggesting this video to react to. You're amazing. Thank you so much. That was so funny. Oh boy, the Swearing Parrot. Parrots can talk. They can. Copy every single move. I remember that from a few years back. But that's another story. So yeah, that is my reaction video. Thank you to Devran Hasan for suggesting the idea. If there's anything else that you want me to do, feel free to comment in this comment section below. Feel free to, just suggest anything, and I'll do my best to get it out as soon as possible. There's some, like as I said, a little sidetrack. Soda's Darkest Hour is still in the works. Same with the remaining episodes. I'm still right on track. But, as I said, Duck in the Air Shelter should be out anytime soon. So yeah, that's my video review of my reaction to the Swearing Parrot. I'll see you all very soon. I will be back as soon as possible with my next video. Yeah, so take care, see you soon, have a great day, and I'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.